Okay, so this video is a little bit different, more B is for build style because that's how I filmed it. This video isn't going to be long. It's a short informational video for you to use while you work. That's how I wanted it. So first, you gotta remove these 4 screws underneath the glove box. And the glove box will drop down, you push in the side tabs and it'll fall right out. Pull it out. You open up your interior fuse box and you pull it from the front back. And here I show you that style of tabs. Alright, take the prongs and we're gonna unplug the passenger airbag sensor just in case. And looking under it, this is how I'm laying, I'm looking up. We're gonna unplug the airbag and you just press and pull, simple as that. You'll want to let the car sit for like 10 minutes before you do this. That's why we unplugged the battery at the beginning. There's 2 screws holding this on. Go ahead and remove those. And then using a pry, not a metal pry like I'm using here, get some plastic pries. We're going to carefully pry this out. Take your time, don't bend the plastic, it'll lift right out. It's not too heavy, I don't know, 10-ish pounds. And here's where we're going to access everything. This gives a lot of room. And that's kind of the area you're going to be working in, is above that tube. So we'll wiggle the camera up in here and you can see my flashlight's already shining at it. This is the actuator we're going to be replacing. It controls where the vanes are pointed. Basically, if it blows on your feet, face, or defrost. Here's the new part, shout out Rock Auto, it works. Again, there's the old part. I found it easiest to stick the socket wrench through the hole above that cross member tube. Very little room, but it gets it done. New parts in, it'll clip and unclip just like any other component. And then we'll pull these 2 plugs out. It just resets the HVAC system. I have also linked below the forum page that I did all this, and you can see they're the 2 diagonal. And then we'll turn the car on, just on accessory, won't turn the car all the way on. Let it do its thing, and I was worried it did make some weird noises here. But then it beeped and nothing happened. We'll turn it on, make sure it works. Sure enough, simple as that, it did work. Now we did already install the airbag, which in hindsight you should probably test this before, but we needed the battery and I kind of did this out of order. Let's go ahead and make sure it's blowing on the feet, not just a breeze. Oh yeah. And well, it's blowing on the face, listen to that. Blowing on the feet, blowing on the face. Pretty easy install, little difficult because it is so intrusive. Good old thumbs up. But yeah, it's not too difficult. Just takes a little bit of time and squeezing your hand in tight spaces. So, like I said, link below for the forum that I followed for this.